पणजेन चाललेलं कितें कशें पळयता तुमी?
See, what is happening to the smart city in Panjim, I myself don't know. आता इतकी वर्ष झाली स्मार्ट सिटी इमॅजिन पॅन्जिम स्पॅनिश कंपनी कितें चल्ला पणजेन. Panjim has been deteriorated. You see the roads, you see the footpaths, you see the potholes. No lights are working. Huh? The mayor of the capital city of Panjim, Mr. Rohit Musarat, he is a director on the smart city. Mr. Babus Munsarat, the MLA of Panjim, is a director on the smart city. What's happening? Last 10 years in the CCP, only resolutions have been passed. First resolution we passed, a blanket resolution was given to the smart city. हे करचे ते करचे रोड करचे ते करचे मागीर आनी कितें PWDक दिले आमी आतां जी सुडाक दिले आमी हां तेजे पयले GSRTCक दिले पूण कांय फकत रेजोल्युशन आतां इलेक्शन लागीं पावलें म्हणल्यार सगळें रेजोल्युशन पणजेच्या लोकांनी आतां चिंतूंक जाय कितें तें रेजोल्युशन आर नॉट गोइंग टू सॉल्व द प्रॉब्लेम एंड आय डोंट अंडरस्टँड वाय द कॅपिटल सिटी पीपल आर क्वायट विलेजींनी लोक उठले कितें बारीक जाले लोक रोखडे रस्त्यार येता हांगा कोणूच येना ते म्हणटा तुमीच करात म्हणटा ते वी रिक्वायर द हेल्प फ्रॉम द पीपल माय हार्ट ब्लीड्स फॉर Panjim. I want to do something for Panjim. I want to change the face of Panjim. I need the support of people of Panjim. My media darling friends, I need your support too.
तुम्ही रस्तो पडपाक अजूनही मान्यता दिता ती कशी अजून सुद्धा चालू रस्ते पडप
कलेक्टरान हें दिल्लें आसा की टील ऑक्टोबर नो डिगींग
चालू आहा बस स्टँडार
चालू आहा बस स्टँडार ते कोण करता हांव कमिशनर हांव मेयर न्हू हे कमिशनर मेयरान पळोवंक जाय आनी ते टेक्नीक डिपार्टमेंटान पळोवंक जाय हिंगा रिलायन्स येता फोडटा आनी कोण येता फोडटा गमलें न्हू
कावन्सिलर्स आसा ते मिटिंगेन आवाज कित्याक काडिना
हांव तुका सांगता हांव आनी म्हजी बायल निवडून येवंक नासले जाल्यार CCPची मिटींग 20 मिनटां भितर काबार जावपाची आतां मिस्टर उदय मडकेकर आमचे बारबर येयला म्हाका आतां आनी मातसो कितें फोर्स मेवला जाल्यार तुका सांगता 20 न्हू 15 मिनटांनी मिटींग काबार जावपाची हे लोकांनी पणजेच्या लोकांनी पळय 25 लोकांक पळय निवडून हाडल्या तेमी सदां चॅनलां पळोवंक जाय खंयचो तेमचो रेप्रेझेंटेटीव खंयचो तेमचो कावन्सिलर कितें उलयता ते आदले 2 दीस पयलीं तेमचो MLA तेमकडे मिटींग येता सुरेन प्रसाद बॉब मारल्यार तुमी फकत उठात म्हणून आनी तुमचे फकत तकली हालायत म्हणून म्हाका हें दिसता पणजेचे सिटीन असले आमचे कॉर्पोरेटर निवडून येयले तो अशें कोता म्हणून
PWDचो प्रिन्सिपल चीफ इंजिनियर सांगता नोव्हेंबर पर्यंत रोड जावप शक्यच ना
करेक्ट
टेक्निकली
जावं शकना कित्याक ऑक्टोबर पासून पावस पडटलो आनी मागीर तेमचो तो प्लांट कॉमेस जावंक जाय हॉट मिक्स प्लांट ते हॉट मिक्स प्लांटाक तेका उमकेच टेम्परेचर येवंक जाय तेमची पळय खडी हें ते कितें आतां वेट जाल्लें ते सुकूंक जाय तो सांगता सारकें
अशें आमी डिमांड रोड जायना म्हणून करप कशें कितली
BJP सरकार हे व्हडलें सरकार ऑलमोस्ट 35 MLA तेमचे कडेन आहा जायना म्हणजे लज न्हू तेमी सोडपाचें नाल्यार लोकांनी तेमकां धांडावपाचें
काँग्रेसीन जे सद्याक चल्ल्या तेजेर तुमी कितें म्हणटा
पळय आय एम ए लॉयल काँग्रेसमॅन आय एम एन एक्झिक्युटीव मेंबर ऑफ द काँग्रेस आय एम 7 time sitting councillor. My wife Ruth Futad is also 5 time sitting councillor. I was 4 time mayor. But the Congress party leadership is not consulting me or any other senior Congress leaders. आमी sideline झालेले आहा हांव नको कित्याक ते why the leadership is sidelining our senior members including me. It's almost 10 months that executive meeting or PCC office bearers meeting have not taken place, whereby the executive members and the PCC office bearers will have voiced their grievances. Because according to disciplined party soldiers or Congress people, we can only voice our grievances in the Congress house, in the Congress meeting, not with the media just like that. We are disciplined soldiers.
Okay.
तुमकां सायडलँड
आता कितें जालें पळय, new people are being admitted in the Congress party. They are mostly political tourists. They should have started admitting people 1.5 years, 2 years back. Ask them to work for the party. आणि अशें जाल्लें आसा की एक कॉन्स्टिट्युन्सीन 3-3, 4-4 लिडरांक घेतलेले आहा भितर. टिकेट मेळटली एक लिडराक, उरलेले कितें करतले मागीर? Has the Congress party decided on all this? We want Congress to do well. It is our desire as congressmen that Congress party should form the government. We want that the BJP government should go, and it has to go. But for that, there is nothing coming from the Congress party. We had met Mr. P.C. Chidambaram, Mr. Gundu Rao 2-3 times. We had explained to them everything what's happening in the Congress party in Goa and how the Congress party should be strengthened in Goa. But no, they were silent. Everything was in deaf ears. It is back to 0-1. Nothing is happening.
अशी ऐकू येता की काही लिडर्स टीएमसी मेळता किंवा TMC
Systematic efforts have been done by 1 or 2 Congress leadership to sideline people like us, senior people like us. And I don't know why.
लोकल लेवलचेर सेंट्रल लेवलचेर
Local level. Central level कोण वखदा, म्हाका वखदा आसतले आनी लुजीन फाल्यार एका तेका वखद आसतले, पण सगळ्यांक वखना न्हू. But it is the local leadership who should be saying.
सर तुम्ही आताच कित्याक उठले? पयलीं कित्याक हे पोलिसांनी रिजनाल्ड मागीर ते सगळे क्वेश्चन बोवाळ करताले,
Right.
तुम्ही आताच कित्याक?
Because Reginald is an MLA. As I told you, that आमी आमचे बोब पडटा only in the executive meetings, in the PCC meetings. We are disciplined soldiers of the party. We can't go on just in the air and shout about the party.
Now you are not disciplined.
We are now also very disciplined. Where I have
Now
not
you are
said.
coming out now.
How are you coming out with now? Because things have gone out of hand. That's why.
That's why.
You have to give some chance. No,
Chance to whom? The president who is
no,
doing this?
to the leadership, Goa leadership,
Which central?
central as well as local.
So the local leadership is not performing, you mean to say?
Looks like no.
Looks like no. You should tell us. What is happening inside the party? We don't know.
See, whatever is happening in the party, we have told the central leadership.
ऐकता तुमचे?
No,
ऐका आता किती करता तुम्ही?
we are,
तू आता 4था पोलीस असतलो. पहिला आग्नेय येयलो,
Right.
यतीश येयलो, मारियो येयलो, विजय येयलो, आता
Right.
तो 5वो.
right.
So हे तुम्ही सगळे एकठांय जावन तुम्ही दिल्ली असाल कित्याक सांगना?
बाबा दिल्ली ना वापरूंक जाय न्हू.
पयल्यारूच सांगताले तुम्ही तांचे इलेक्शन जावन
पळय
वयतले.
सांगता हांव, दिल्ली पयले सदेर लुगारार आसा, कोण मेवता थिंगा,
हां.
कोण ना थिंगा.
सो असल्यानी
Right.
काँग्रेसाची परिस्थिती कितें इलेक्शनाच्या टायमार?
ते तुमी विचारात पण तेमकां.
हांव तुका
फाल्यां
विचारता.
फाल्यां गुंडूराव येतलो, पीसी चिदंबरम येतलो, तुवें सांग. This
लिडर्स
fellow is
तुम्ही
saying-
तुमचे लिडर्स ते आमचे न्हू, हांव पॉलिटिकल
No,
पार्टी
but
न्हू.
you have, as a journalist, you have got the full right. You are representing the people of Goa.
हांवें चिदंबरम विचारलेलें हेजे सुचोवन तुमी सांगलेलें तो तांकां वी आर ऑल युनायटेड म्हणून एकाच तरेन सगळे विशय.
आय आर युनायटेड.
We are united. We are congressmen.
युनायटेड फॉर
पण
व्हॉट?
पण तुमचे MLA वांगडा दिसना खंय?
याला युनायटेड फॉर व्हॉट?
See, you tell me about MLAs. I can't reply. MLAs have to reply.
हां. Luis is replying.
Mr. See, one by one, you people are addressing your grievances.
Yeah.
Why don't you come
Together, all
together,
together.
raise your voice?
Arey
Then it
Baba.
becomes a powerful voice.
Arey Baba.
When you
First,
raise single,
first you have to put the water on the gas to heat.
हां.
Then you have to put the tea leaves.
then sugar.
Then you have to put milk.
हां.
Then you have to put sugar.
Okay.
Then you have to stir.
हां.
then you have to have it, a sip, first sip.
सर तुम्ही ते
पण पेटवताना कोण गॅस घालता? आम्ही पेटवताना पेटवपाचे तुम्ही न्हू गॅस.
राव मरे.
आम्ही रावपाचे गॅस पेटवायचे
म्हाका एक सांगा, ते तुम्ही सांगितलं की कोणाक विश्वासात घेऊ नये, कोण येता ते काय, आणि उदय मडकईकराक घेतला त्यांना विश्वासात घेतलं तुमका सांगितलं तुमका
See,
ऑब्जेक्शन.
I have no objection anybody coming in my party.
They have to work for 5 years.
They work there for 5 years.
So you're on the same lines of those 4 people for
Yes, they have to work. Everybody have to work.
Are you a
Party.
part of any group?
No, I am not part of any group. I am a loyal Congress soldier.
Soldier Congress?
Yes.
तू काय पाहते त्यांनी विचारता?
Right.
तुझी होची काँग्रेस ती INC व TMC?
I am INC.
हा, INC. क्या या दिसांनी TMC येता. So त्या काँग्रेस
See, I don't know what you're talking about TMC.
तृणमूल काँग्रेस.
Yes. Nobody have met me from.
I never asked. Did I ask you? You are speculating. तू पहिला चुकून गेलो.
My son.
आणि तुका विचारतो ना तू मेवा लाव काय
Sir.
म्हणून. तू किती
I thought so. I heard that.
हा, like that. Okay.
TMC have
TMC एरिया म्हणून गोंयांत जाणा तू. There
हा,
are-
paper वर वाचता.
Okay, paper वाचता. There are speculation that Luizin along with his leader, so-called group, I don't know whether you are a part of that group or not because you are also press conference doing your part, could join TMC. Speculations. You have paper वाचला, but I knew वाचला. So how would you
No, I
clarify on
don't.
this?
I can't speak for Luzin
No,
Falero.
for yourself.
I can speak for myself. I am a loyal Congress soldier. What a man. We want to strengthen our party. We want to defeat the BJP in Goa. We want to install a Congress government in Goa.
तुका दिसता जातलो गव्हर्नमेंट काँग्रेसाचो हाय करीत जाल्यार?
If the party leadership in Delhi, I'm not talking about change, don't put it in my mouth, is not this thing, and God save.
You feel the president should be changed?
कित्याक
I
आता
don't know. That is
No,
what.
everybody is pointing
हा,
towards the leadership.
खूपशे
But
तुमच्या
nobody
फाटल्या
is telling whether you want to change, whether you want to say anything.
No,
That-
that is for the central leadership to get the feedback. They must have got the feedback when they came so many times. So many leaders met them. Correct, no? So many leaders met them. So they must have told their feelings of what is happening.
हा, आता तुम्ही तुमचे इथले काँग्रेसमॅन प्रेस कॉन्फरन्स घेता ऑब्वियसली तुमचे प्रेसिडेंट तुमका चेंज जाय दिसता
म्हाका दिसना.
कित्याक तुमचे तुम्ही
We
तुमचे
want our
allegation तुमचे मिटिंग जायना.
We want our president to work hard, sincerely,
He is not
not
working.
sideline us.
He is not working hard.
It's
So
a
that
very-
means- that
it's a
means-
very dangerous situation of sidelining senior Congress people.
That means JPCC president is sidelining senior Congress person. You meant to say like that?
Because whenever somebody comes, we are not consulted.
Like what? Can you give an example?
Example.
What you have not been considered?
Not only we, myself, so many other leaders are complaining that new people are coming.
Which
They
are
have
the
not
other
been
leaders?
consulting.
Which are the other leaders who have come?
There's so many you know about it.
Sir, आमचे पैशावाले आमचेर घातले आणि तुम्ही उभी राहिला
नाही.
मध्यात तुम्ही वेगवेगळ्यावर चालले काय जातले तुम्ही सांगून द्या ना सर आमका.
You know it, my friend.
ओके एक सांग म्हाका.
तुम्ही किती स्टँड घेतला होता?
Kinesh and Mehta.
14 years.
I
Ah.
want to work for the Congress party. I want to.
सर तुमका साइडलाइन करता न्ही.
काँग्रेसची
तुम्ही म्हणता काम करूंक सोदता पण तुमका साइडलाइन करता.
आमकां सायडलायन करता म्हण तुका आपयला न्हू.
सर
लोकांचे गोंयचे लोकांक गमपाक की आमकां सायडलायन करता, AICC गमपाक आमकां सायडलायन करता
सो
म्हणून.
तू मागता गोंयच्या लोकांकडे तुमका सायडलाईन करतले हेंका सायडलाईन तुम्ही करा म्हणून काँग्रेसाक.
ना हांव तशें म्हणना.
मागीर कोण कितें कर फायनल कितें
कितें पूण आमी वे आउट काडूंक जाय.
असली तुम्ही सांगा ना.
ते सगळे लिडरांनी बसून करूंक जाय.
आता केन्ना बसतले ते टायम
बसतले.
Okay,
बसतले.
आता तुम्ही म्हणता की खूप लिडर्स असतात जे म्हणता की आमकां सायडलायन करता तो फायनल डिसिजन तुमचो असो आसतलो की ती जितले लिडर्स म्हणटा ते एकठांय येतले आणि हो इश्यू वयर हाय कमांडा कडेन व्हरतले की
हय.
तुमी सिंगल इंडिविज्युअली सगळे
हय.
तकलेत
No,
रावतले?
आमी when Mr. PC came to Goa, individually we met. I had led a group of 5 people.
ओके.
Got a point? Including myself, Yatish Naik, Dr. Pramod Sawant, Dr. Pramod Sagonkar, Magir Mario Pinto,
हा.
Vijay Pai, and 2 other.
Agnel?
Agnel came with his group afterwards, that 100 people. So we have told that we want to strengthen the party. Congress has got a golden opportunity.
Who
to form
is-
the government in Goa.
Okay, who is misusing this golden opportunity? Please tell us. You don't. आम्ही जाणा म्हणून सांगणार का?
A few local leaders,
Sir, नाव सांग.
leaderships,
नाव सांग.
that name will come at the right time.
नेम केन्ना तर माझ्या
No,
लक्षात
man, there's a lot of time I told you.
सर ओके आणि एक सांगता आता उदय पणजे नेला
Hmm.
फाल्यां उदयाक टिकेट दिली एकल्याक टिकेट दिवं
हय.
शकता तूं उदयाक काम करतलो
कित्याक करता ना?
चालो तेच करतलो करतलो
Will you support him?
पण हांव कितें म्हणटा, who is senior in the party?
आता ते
Senior-
म्हाका दिसता तरी
So
Okay, ticket should be given.
how, I'm not saying like that. I'm not saying that I should be given only. I'm saying you see who are the senior loyal Congress people who have been in thick and thin with the party.
सर
We did not align with BJP during all this thing. Never.
सुरेश बाब
We did not take any malai from BJP. We were with Congress. We voiced our grievances.
पण एका टायमार तुम्ही बाबूशा बारबोन मेळ्ळे जो बीजेपी कडे आता आता
पण
तुम्ही मेयर जावपाक तेन्ना
पळय, please, I want to clarify this thing.
हां
When Babush Munsarat supported me
हां
to be the mayor, how did he support? Not in love of Suren Putaro. Babush had 17 councillors.
हां
From 17, two split. Tony Rodriguez and Caroline Paugh. And they went to BJP. BJP were 12. So they 12, 13, 14 zale. Babush became 15. Ruth Futad and Suren Futad were a trump card.
ओके
You know that, no?
सो आता कितें जाता
So, out of compulsion, Mr. Babush Munsarat said, okay, you take over as the mayor. I took over, and I'm not boasting, but I think I've done something little better. Got a point? The magazine of mayors of India was shown Suren Futad, the CRS mayor of Goa. Corporate Social Responsibility, CSR.
Was it because of Babu's support that you became mayor?
Yes. So, because otherwise the BJP was becoming. Correct, no?
I'm asking,
It is a number game. And I'm thankful that they supported me and I could show my abilities to do something for the city of Panjim. This 14th Finance Commission, Atape Pusheila, that was during my tenure that I met the chairman of the 13th Finance Commission in Marriott Hotel.
काँग्रेसचो प्रेसिडेंट आसा पळय तेजे परफॉर्मन्स हाजेर तुमी सॅटिस्फाय आसा?
He has to work hard. He has to take us in confidence.
Satisfied? Are you satisfied? Yes or no?
What?
First, I'm asking one question.
Yeah.
See, all these people, wherever I go to such meetings, I get feedback saying, what you know, he is a junior dictating terms to seniors. Is it right?
I don't know. I don't know. That people of Goa should know because.
See, Lieutenant Palero,
Listen. Let me come to you now.
Yeah.
In 2014, we had a Congress government.
Yeah.
Okay? We had a Congress government, UPA 2 in center.
Yeah.
The church, media, the minority committee people forcefully voted for BJP. Correct, no? And our Congress government fell.
But there is a
Then in 2017, when Mr. Luzin Falero took over as the president of the Congress party, 17 MLAs got elected.
Then why he was removed from the Congress presidency?
He was because in Congress they sell their enemies. We don't require outside enemies. In Congress only,
Who are
not
those?
make me chief minister. I want to become. Let it. Nobody want to sacrifice for the people of Goa.
Sir, you mean to say during this GPCC president current right now, Girish, it is failed to unite every MLA.
I don't know, but 13 MLAs have gone. Correct? Why they have gone? That you all should understand. No? I am not saying anything.
Suresh Babu, one more thing is that फाटल्या दिसांनी सार्दिनान सांगलें there are no meetings held, no accounts information is being given. Regina said the same thing. काल विजयान सांगलें, विजय खंयान सांगलें. You also say the same thing.
Yeah, I told you no, starting, no executive meeting were held for around 10 months. No PCC office bearers meeting were held. Where we can air our grievances to the president.
Did you inform this to Chidambaram?
Who we have informed him everything.
इतलें inform करून काय करना ते?
No, I don't know.
आता गोंयचे बरे चिंता कोण चिंता?
That you have to find out.
तू म्हाका सांग काय म्हणून ते?
I will tell you the right time.
मागीर लोक तुमचे कित्याक विश्वास
No,
उरतलो?
no, no. People trust us. That's why 7 times I've been
तुमकां
elected.
सांगून तुमच्या लीडर तुमकां ट्रस्ट करना आमकां खंयचे ट्रस्ट
No, no,
करतले?
no.
लोकांक खंयचे ट्रस्ट
No,
करतले?
no.
Suren Babu, any harassment is going on in the Congress?
Senior congressmen have been sidelined. There are only 2 leaders in the Congress party taking all the decisions. Who should come, who should go, who should not come, who should not go. Nobody has been taking into confidence.
Okay. Who are those?
You know who are
Can
the-
if I take names, will you say yes or no?
Are Baba,
If I say
who? Tell me one thing. Out of the 5 MLAs,
Yeah.
who are ruling there now?
म्हाका आपण MLAच न्हू न्हू.
Magir,
If I take names, will you say yes or no?
upon what?
सांग रे नाव सांग रे. बरं दिगंबर कामत.
He's
बरोबर
the,
ना?
he's the leader of the opposition, no?
आवय मग तुका खबर आनी आमी MLA म्हणटले.
And PCC.
PCC गिरीश तोडलकर.
Looks like, no?
Looks like me, yes or no?
Then
Looks like me. Sir, PCC and not saying.
it looks like, no?
तुम्ही सांगूंक जाय न्हू लोकांक कशें गमतले तुम्ही जेन्ना काँग्रेस लिडर सारखे सांगले
अरे बाबा.
यू आर मेकिंग पीपल कन्फ्यूज विथ ऑल दिस
No, no, no.
थिंग्स
People are.
व्हाई शुड पीपल सपोर्ट यू
गोवा के लोग अजीब है. That was Jawaharlal Nehru said.
मध्ये कोणाला झालं, तू उभी राहा.
ती सारखे उरलेली
ओके